So I was sent this Bafode set of 2 swivel bar stool set. This is counter height bar stools or kitchen island chairs with backs and very comfortable cushioning. This comes in at 26 inches high. So the seat backrests are filled with high density recycled foam with its 3-inch thickness, and it's covered with breathable linen fabric. So this makes it almost like a sofa type feel. It has 360 free swivel rotation, sitting on top of premium ball bearings, and it promotes a quiet and effortless rotation. So this counter height bar stool is super easy to assemble, and it comes with extra package of screws and bolts just in case. Simple manual, and I was able to do it in about 25 minutes. So it's made of high quality solid rubber wood, which is not perishable and easy to wipe clean. The way it's designed, the screws make the chair very sturdy and durable, and definitely no wobble. It comes with rubber protective foot pads that you could screw into the ends of the legs, which keeps the floor from damage and scratches. And also, if needed, you could adjust the height to make sure it's super even. So this is a great minimalist look, very comfortable chair, and you can sit in it for a long time. It has the right height for a kitchen counter or bar, and it looks like a high quality chair that belongs either in a fancy home or in a exclusive high-end coffee house. So it's perfect for the patio kitchen. You could enjoy breakfast, snacks, drinks, or coffee on it, and it's not flimsy or unstable at all.